Recently, there was a brutal murder and rape in RG Kar Medical College of Kolkata, and the case has shook the entire nation. The people were asking for the death penalty of the accused, while judiciary has given the life imprisonment for the accused, and that has created lots of curiosity in the mind of the people that why we have such kind of different type of punishments. Hello and welcome to the In Focus series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about rarest of the rare doctrine, and this session is important for you GAs 2 perspective. So moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss about the cases, and then we are going to discuss about the what are the origins of the rarest of the rare doctrine. Then we are going to discuss about that were there any revisions to this particular doctrine, and then we are going to discuss about practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIA's channel. Moving towards the news part. So before moving to the news part, we have Drishti IAS Noida address, and our address is C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida, and nearest metro station is Noida Sector 15. Also, we have ISJS Foundation course available in both the medium, Hindi medium and English medium. So if you want to know more information about such classes, you can call on to the number 87501 So coming to the news part. So the news is that we have two different cases. The one case is of the RG Medical College and another case is of the Sharon Raj case. Both cases have a different nature and both cases have a different nature of the punishment, and that has created lots of controversial remarks and curiosity among the minds of the general people that why judiciary has dealt both the cases differently and why punishment differs in both the cases. So this is the news which we are going to cover up in today's session. Coming to the discussion part, that what were the cases. So one case is of the RG Kar Medical College case, and we already know about this case that there was a case of brutal murder and rape of a trainee doctor by a man, and into this case the man has been given the life imprisonment. On the other hand, we have another case of the Sharon Raj, in which what had happened that there was a girl who was giving poison to her partner, and after 9 or 10 days her partner died because of the slow poisoning, and into this case the judiciary has given the death penalty, and that has created lots of confusion because people are expecting death penalty into the RG Kar medical case, and people were saying that nature of the crime was heinous, then why the judiciary has given the life imprisonment as punishment. So coming to the doctrine of the rarest of the rare case. So what is the origin of the rarest of the rare doctrine? So the debate started in 1972, Jagmohan Singh versus State of UP, where Supreme Court upheld its constitutionality, and the petitioner argued that because of the death penalty, it violates the fundamental rights of the accused, which is Article 19 and 14, as judges had no clear guidelines on when to impose it. And the court, however, ruled that sentencing considered all relevant facts and affirmed its constitutionality under Article 21. Then we have Bachan Singh versus State of Punjab 1980. The Supreme Court introduced the rarest of the rare doctrine and limiting the death penalty in the exceptional cases. So by introducing the rarest of the rare doctrine, the judiciary has main intention that we should reduce the what you can say death penalty cases. So this was the main intention of that. And in Machi Singh versus State of Punjab 1983, the court established few criterias, 5 criteria for applying the rarest of the rare doctrine, that we should decide the nature of the crime, we should decide the magnitude of the crime, we should also see that what is the age of the offender, we should also see the age of the victim, we should also see that whether the victim is male or female or also helpless women, old age. So these are the things we have to take care of. So brutality of the crime, depraved motive, social abhorrent nature, magnitude of the crime and victim's vulnerability. So we have to also analyze that whether this case has created negative impact and which kind of impact on our society. So by considering all these things, we have to analyze that whether such kind of cases qualify for the death penalties or not. Now here comes to the confusion that why people are still confused, because of we already have 5 criterias, but those 5 criteria still lacks clarity. That's why people are confused. So were there any revision? So despite of having Machi Singh framework, we had few confusions because Supreme Court and different kind of judicial courts had dealt all the matters differently, and in few cases we see that they have been given the death penalty, in few cases they have been given the life imprisonment, and that has created confusion among the minds of the people that we do have framework for the Machi Singh. After that, why there are confusion? Because there is a lack of clarity that which crime can be heinous in nature, how we can decide the magnitude of the crime. So that's why it has created lots of confusion. And if we'll talk about that, do we have any revisions in rarest of the rare doctrine? Yes, we do had some revision. In September 2022, Supreme Court referred to a constitution bench the issue of ensuring meaningful, real and effective hearing on mitigating circumstances in death penalty cases. This move could standardize how courts assess whether a crime qualify as rarest of the rare at trial stage. And because of the revision, because of the lack of clarity, there are few confusions among the mind of the people and also in the application. So what happened after that? The death penalty and life imprisonment has a judicial discretion. It means that it depends upon the bench, it depends upon the judiciary, that how judiciary is dealing one matter, and death penalty and life imprisonment will be decided on the basis of that, and that has created dissatisfaction among the minds of the people. So here what would be the conclusion of the whole discussion? That we do have criteria for the rarest of the rare doctrine, but that criteria lacks clarity, transparency. So we need to maintain the clarity, transparency, and there should be a clear idea, conceptual idea, so that we can apply all those things, and the death penalty should not be limited to the judicial discretion. Now we are going to discuss the practice question for prelims. Under which article of the Constitution did the Supreme Court uphold the constitutionality of the death penalty in Jagmohan Singh versus State of UP? Article 14, Article 19, Article 21, Article 32. So kindly answer into the comment section. And we also have a PYQ series which had already started from the 15th of February. So do watch all the episodes of the PYQ series, which will be very helpful for your prelims examination. Also, if you have any confusion or queries related to this whole session, you can ask us into the comment section. And do check all the cases related to this rarest of the rare doctrine, because in prelims examination they can ask that what are the criterias we have of the rarest of the rare doctrine and how it is applicable, will it be effective for the society or not, what are the ethical concerns related to the rarest of the rare doctrine. And in the case of the life imprisonment, because R.G. Kar medical case has been treated as a heinous crime, then why there was no death penalty for the accused? So you already got the answer, because the case has been not dealt as a rarest of the rare doctrine, and that's why rarest of the rare doctrine does not apply to the case. So we do have some clarity issues into this doctrine and how we are able to solve these kind of clarity issue. So you can think about this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.